Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how you can make a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. And to do this, follow my steps. Step 1. Go to your browser. In search bar type, download Windows 11. Choose the first link. Select Download and click Download Now. Select the product language and click Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Your download will start automatically. Wait till the download is finished. I already downloaded the ISO file. Step 2. Download Rufus. To download Rufus, in search bar type Rufus. Click the first link, rufus.ie. Choose from latest releases. Wait till the download is finished. After the download is finished, open it. Step 3. Make a Windows 11 bootable USB. To do that, first, plug your USB. Select your Windows 11 ISO file. Choose your partition scheme, GPT, or MBR. To know your partition scheme, follow the steps. Go to search bar and type Create and Format. Open it. Right-click on the main disk. Properties. Click Volumes. Now make sure that your partition style and partition scheme are the same. Change volume label to Windows 11. Now, click Start. Click OK. Again, click OK. Now leave everything to Rufus. Wait till the process is completed. It will take a few minutes. After the process is completed, close Rufus and go to your Windows Explorer to check the USB. Finally, we have a Windows 11 bootable USB. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment me in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.